Well, hello, everybody, and welcome to the District 25 website. This is Mike Levy, your webmaster, and today I'm going to share with you a little bit about how to get around the homepage. Now, you are now looking at the D25toastmasters.org webpage, and this is what you will see when you first come on. Over the year, we will probably change out our collage of different pictures that we will have at our different events, all of our conferences, as well as our summit. And all of these will be, showcased all throughout the year. Now, today I want to take you a little bit on just a little tour to show you where, how you get around our website. And now go into other little, we keep these little videos short just so you can process the information and then also go to see other parts of our site. So when you get on here, you'll want to go to D25toastmasters.org, which will come to this homepage. Now, when you get on here, you'll see down here that we have the collage, and you can also view a video of this website as well that you will see here. On here, you'll have the collage. You'll also find the latest posts that are happening around D25. We will showcase all throughout the year lots of different things as far as our awards banquet, a year-end awards banquet, officer information, and also details on our conferences and summit that you will be able to get all the latest details of what's happening around District 25. So when you do, you can also click on you can either click on this link up here whenever it comes to that time. You can then see how to get around. So when you highlight over these different types of blog posts, you can then click on read more and it will take you to the blog post. So this is how a typical blog post will look from the home page. And again, we have our featured image as well as just all the content and pictures of each of the posts. So that's how you can get to the blog post real quickly. I'll go back here back to the home page. And so we have our featured post right here. We also have our home page, like a top story type thing, and right now we are recognizing Ms. Andrea Payne, who is our Region 3 quarterfinals winner, representing District 25, which is great. And we would like to highlight all the great things that are happening around the district. So you'll see a kind of a splash page here of the latest story that's going on. We also have constant things that are happening across the district that you will find little headings on. And with our summit coming up that will be in November, we will also have information to go to those web pages. So you can also click on all of these links here. That says read more to take you to those individual web pages. Throughout the year, you'll also have Toastmasters Leadership Institute, also known as TLI. And information on this page is usually happening right here on the home page. You can get that information anytime you need to, and we have a page that's constantly updating with the latest details for your trainings. And then we also, throughout the year, will have nominations for awards, so we'll highlight those things here. And like right now, this is in the beginning of July, we're also getting ready to look at our year-end celebration. So we'll have details on awards and all of the different things that are happening. So you'll be able to find that right in here. The next section is a little tab area, which we recognize our Outstanding Member of the Month. And we'll lay that out right here. We can again read more to find out all the different past members that have actually won the Outstanding Member of the Month, and you'll be able to find those here. And we just have a bunch of different things. When it comes to the website, we'll have the whole playlist right here where you can always go at any time to view different parts of our site. So if you ever need to go back and find that in here, you can. You'll be able to go to about our website and see all the videos here. And then one of the other great things during the year, we also have Hot Topics, and that will be sent out once a month it's basically an email newsletter, and you can also subscribe directly right here to get on that list, and you'll be able to get all of the latest details from each month, a little bit more specific things that you will be able to find throughout District 25. Down here at the bottom, we also have a very constant, these four don't really change a whole lot, but if you ever need to go to the calendar, you can also look at what's coming up on the calendar, and you can click on the actual events, and it will drill inside here, and any links that you want to be able to register, you will be able to access them here, right here on this page. So you have upcoming events and then Pathways information. So if you need to get into the Pathways part, this will take you to our Pathways resources page, and that'll always be sitting right here at the bottom. Incentives. Now, throughout the year, you'll also have ways to be able to earn different incentives across the district, and leading up, for all the Pathways projects as well as anything with your clubs. So you can find out all information on incentives right here. And then you have our Hot Topics area, which this will take you to the Hot Topics section of the site in our Public Relations area, and you'll be able to find more through that page. At the bottom here, you will have information on all of our social media. So you can get to any one of our social media pages right down here at the bottom, and include, as well as our newest one with TikTok. And so our YouTube channels, Twitter, and TikTok are all listed right here. If y'all want to find out all the photos that are happening from all the different club events and district events, you'll be able to find those in here. And then we also have our BPPR group with our public relations. We also have all the vice president of public relations will have a group here. If you're BPPR, I would highly recommend also joining this group as well. So we have a lot of resources that will allow you to grow in District 25. Now, for those of you that, because District 25 is a very robust site, I will be the first to tell you that as webmaster. There's a lot, and I mean a lot of information across our web pages. Now, one thing that will help you is when you're across the website, every one of our pages, and I mean every one of them, will have this menu at the bottom of the page. This is a nice little table of contents that will help you get around all across the site. These also are our main general areas that will, drill a little further into the big parts of the site. So like I say, our resources pages, you also get the training report for those to know how many of your club officers have been trained throughout the year in TLI. This is where that report will be able to be downloaded right here. So we'll have that link there. Anything on alignment, the content, when it comes to contest season in the spring, you'll get the contest rulebook listed here. And again, all the incentives that will happen across the pages. And then if you also want to look at other videos, the district video library is also linked right here as well. And then information on club growth, you can find that information here, as well as program quality, involving the annual conference, speech contest information. Again, the leadership training report is also there, TLI, and then more information on Pathways and anything on Summit. So you can find all of that stuff. You can get to it quickly down here at the bottom menu if you get lost. And then just general news and community. You can then, anything, if you'd like to contact anybody in the district, as far as in leadership, you can reach us here on the Contact Us page. And then you also have our public relations and then our blog, which is all of our news articles. And we do put out a lot of content, so please keep checking the blog throughout the month and see what all has come about. There are some great stories that are happening across District 25 and throughout Toastmasters. We want to make sure that you get to hear what is happening, because it may inspire you and may be able to also help your club as well. So make sure to send your members as well as any other fellow leaders to the blog to know what's happening around District 25. And then if you're also wanting to request a speaker for one of your club meetings or to do a demo or something, the Speakers Bureau is here. You can go to their link as well and be able to find information on how to send a representative to be able to talk about clubs and about Toastmasters. Now, one of the big things, the District 25 has a web team, which myself and we have a few others that are also constantly adding all of the information and updating information throughout the year. Your information and feedback is very important to us. We would love to hear from you anytime you feel like you think there'll be a suggestion that we could put towards the website to make things a little easier to read, or graphics, or anything along those lines. We would love to hear from you. Click on the link here at the website feedback, and that will send a message directly to the web team to be able to look into further if there's a broken link, even a page that might even have problems being able to load. Let us know that. That is very important. We try to keep this website going very fast throughout the year. So your feedback is crucial for our success as a district. And then again, any of these other links along the way, you will be able to find here at the bottom of the menu. And we have obviously little smaller pages as you go in there, and we have side menus that you can go in and find things as well. But that is a kind of an overview of the homepage, as well as just some of the links to get you around. I hope this has been helpful. We have a bunch more videos that will come away, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you all for coming to see us.